Hello students, now we will see 7th standard mathematics 5th chapter statistics introduction. We already seen in lower classes about data, classification, pictorial representation of data, etc. Now we will see collection of data. What is collection of data means? Collection of informations. For example, the height of 7th students, the performance of class 7th students in the term 2 examination, etc. Next, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means is nothing but average. We find the average or arithmetic mean formula sum of all observations by number of observations. That is arithmetic mean or average using the formula sum of all observations by number of observations. Exercise 5.1, third problem. The marks of 14 students in a science test out of 50 are given below: 34, 23, 10, 45, 44, 47, 35, 37, 41, 30, 28, 32, 45, 39. Find first subdivision the mean mark, second one the maximum mark obtained, third one the minimum mark obtained. Here given the values, first write the number of data is n is equal to 14. Write the formula mean is equal to total marks by number of marks. Therefore, write all the values using plus symbol by number, that is 14. Therefore, we can add all the 14 values, we get 490 is divided by 14. Divide these two, we get 35. Therefore, mean of the given data is 35. Second subdivision, find out the maximum marks. Therefore, the maximum mark of the given data is 47. And third subdivision, the minimum mark is 10. Seventh sum, arithmetic mean of 10 observations was found to be 22. If one more observations 44 was to be added to the data, what will be the new mean? Here given total number is n, therefore n is equal to 10 and mean value is 22. We can add that the new observation is equal to 44. We want to find the new mean. First we know that the mean formula is total by number. Therefore, here given the mean value is 22. That is equal total, we don't know. Therefore, write as it is total by number of data is 10. That is by 10. Then cross multiplying, we get total is equal to 22 into 10. That is 220. We want to find the new mean. Therefore, new mean is equal to total by new number of data. Therefore, total is here 220. We can add one more value, that is 44. Therefore, adding these two by 10 plus 1. That is what? 11. Therefore, we can add these two, that is 264 by 11. Divide these two, we get 24. Therefore, this is the new mean value.